Yeezy Pods? What are these, socks? Interesting. These don't look too bad, bruh. I mean, it kind of feels like a scam. You know what? Fuck it.
Many months later.
Message!
Man, I bought these back in February and just now got them. Like, it took so long for these to get here. I completely forgot what they was. I saw the package and I was like, Yeezy, what the? Oh. So, with that being said, let's get into it. Whoa. Oh, that's strong. I ain't gonna lie, bro. This bag feels kind of nice. They got my size right. As long as these feel like they were like made to order or something. You can still see the glue on there. I don't know if y'all can see that. Look at that, that's glue. That's glue. The material is thick. I like that.
Damn, boy, he's thick. Boy, that's a thick ass boy. Damn.
Yeah, these smell like they were literally just made. I'm not gonna lie, bro. These look and feel way better than I thought they would. Material is nice and thick. The heel, the toe part, the rubberized part feels pretty solid. All right, let's try it on. Originally, what I was planning on doing, instead of debating if I should wear socks or not, I was gonna wear one with the sock and then one without the sock. Just cause, but I'm just gonna keep my socks on, bro. This feels very tight. Now I'm actually thinking, should I try this without the sock on, without my sock on? Cause this feels extremely tight. I was worried my heel were gonna be hanging off, but they're sitting nice on the rubber parts, at least. It's just that the actual material feels like it's super tight. It feels super tight, like it's like restricting my foot movement. But like stepping in these, it feels pretty good, man. The inner sole itself feels pretty strong. I was actually worried before I got this that these were gonna be like, you know, just nothing in between for some reason. I don't know why I thought that, but I like the way that feels. You can see the glue right there, like I pointed out earlier. I like how high they go up. Other people I seen wearing these, their shit's cut off like right here. So the one without the sock, I have so much more movement. And it feels nice, man. It feels nice without wearing a sock underneath. This one feels just as good too. Not just as good, but it feels pretty good. I will say though, if you do wear socks with these, the longer you have them, the more comfortable it's gonna get. Like, I've only had them on for like, well, I've only had this one on for like maybe 30 minutes now. This one I just put on. But yeah, man, this is getting more and more comfortable, even with the sock on underneath. You can see the sock right here. So it's been like another 30 minutes or so that went by. This thing is way more comfortable with socks. Feels too weird without socks. Instead of boring y'all with walking montages and running montages like everybody else has done, I genuinely have one question. Will Yeezy Pods unicycle? We're gonna try that with the Yeezy Pods. Let's do it. All right, in all seriousness, as fun as that was, don't do that. I am a trained professional. If I see you out there riding your unicycle and your Yeezy Pods, I'm telling your goddamn mama. All it takes is one fall. One of those falls, you're gonna be missing at least 2 toenails. Here's what I was talking about earlier about my feet hanging off. This is what I was afraid of. So you can see over time they'll kind of stretch out. Now look how much space I have. Look at that. That's all space. Before it was like super tight. Look at all that space I have now. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's with my toes fully stretched out. I'm not curling my toes. That's all space. That's all space. Other foot too. Yeah, I mean, they're still comfortable, but it's just like they don't really form over your foot past like the first hour. They'll kind of roll down on you too. Look at that. I had these things pulled up all the way up. These things pretty much go up to my kneecap. That's good. Who would I recommend Yeezy Pods to? If you're somebody who's just looking to change your style up every once in a while, these are for you. Like when it comes to like excessive walking, running, any kind of like competitive sport, like basketball or something, obviously these aren't going to be the shoes you want to wear. These are the type of pods or shoes, socks, whatever you want to call them, that I would wear to like a hotel on vacation, just walk around a hotel with, or like a casual, friendly outing, family outing or something, you know, where I don't really have to dress up too nice and I'm not trying to look too bummy, I guess, you know what I mean? These are the shoes for you. Like I wouldn't wear them if I know I'm going to be out longer than 8 hours, I guess, you know? But as far as comfortability, I would give these like an 8 out of 10. Convenience, like a 6. Like a 6 out of 10. Only reason for that is because I'm somebody who doesn't wear shoes in the house. Only reason why I have these on now is because, one, because they're new, and 2, for the review. When it comes to like having to take these on or take these off and put them right back on, it's just a pain in the ass. It's just way too annoying. So the inconveniency is definitely a factor there. And I don't like the fact that they roll down on you constantly. I would say it's a lot easier to style these with pants than it is with shorts. Because, you know, while you're wearing shorts, they're just going to be sliding down on you the whole day and you're going to be constantly pulling them up. You don't want to be caught lacking with these on and then you got like one sock pulled up and the other one like roll down and shit and you don't even know it. When you first put these on, these look phenomenal. And then over time, like I showed you guys, these kind of stretch out and they start to look like duck bills or something, like duck feet. I don't like that. They start to look kind of dumb. Overall, I would give these like a 7 out of 10. These for $20, definitely worth it. I'd say just try them out, get them. It's $20, bro. I couldn't imagine the people who actually went out and paid, well, like, what was it, like $200? I know they got their money back and shit, but like What the fuck? There's absolutely no way. I like for these, honestly, if I'm being realistic, I would probably pay like $60 for these. No more. Like I said in the beginning of the video, man, these took like 3 months, just a little over 3 months to get here. Was it worth the wait? I guess, sure. I mean, it's $20 again, like I said. Yeah. Those are the Yeezy Pods. Let me know if you like them, if you hate them, if you would never waste your money on these, or just let me know what you guys think. And that is going to conclude the Yeezy Pod review. Deuces.